Hi everybody, this is Mr. Go, and today I'm just going to go over this assignment that I've given to you guys through Google Classroom, and it's the Mitosis and Meiosis Google Drawing and the stages, right? So I want you guys to go ahead and complete a flow chart or a flow map for both types of cell division, for mitosis over here in green and meiosis over here in yellow. All I want you guys to do is to make sure that the name of the stage and the description is down here at the bottom. Now, how do we go ahead and set this up? Now, I kind of did this a little bit not in the correct order. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select all of these right here. So I'm clicking and dragging right here. And what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and copy this. Okay, Control C. And then I'm going to paste it. Notice another copy actually shows up right here. Now, I don't want two prophases because that's just one of the stages. But if you go ahead and I need you guys to do this. I need you guys to move this over this way first. And the reason why is prophase is actually not the first stage. Ah, interesting. The first stage is actually called interphase. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. And I'm going to change this. Okay, so double click into the circle. After you've selected all that, so instead of having to build all of it from scratch, just copy the whole thing and then paste it and then just change it. So interphase. Okay. And the reason why interphase is the first one, if you go and watch these videos right here, you'll see that interphase is what the cell normally does, okay, in its everyday sort of just normal life. What it does is it replicates the DNA to make proteins and so forth. And then obviously, this is not going to be the same text right here, so I need to delete that and then explain what interphase is. And I'm sure that you guys are resourceful enough to go ahead and take a look at some images, find some information. But if you click on these YouTube links right here, these YouTube links will take you to some videos of what mitosis is and the stages. Okay. And this one right here is the second one, would be the steps for meiosis. And this right here, this last link right here, is a link that takes you to the comparison between mitosis and meiosis and what the difference are between each one. Now, all I want you guys to do is to make sure that you guys have these components right here in your flow map. And if it doesn't fit, then what you could do is if you go to the lower right hand corner of the background right here, you can click and drag it over here to the right and make it a little bit bigger, so then you can go ahead and fit more of these little steps right here. And if you feel inclined to, actually, for extra credit, I guess, what you could do is find some images right here. Okay, and they can take a screenshot of this or like add an image right here of each one of these steps in each one of these types of cell division, and then add the image actually right here down at the bottom. Okay, so make a little bit of space, so I can click and drag this right here and move it up. Okay, and you can even put an image right here for interphase, prophase. Okay, so just to show you kind of like what that looks like, let me go ahead and do this. Interphase. Ah, okay, good. So this looks like a nice image right here, so I'm going to go ahead and insert that, but I don't want to insert the whole image. What I can do is I can double click into this, okay, and I just want this part, so I double clicked on the image once I've inserted it, and notice that these black lines actually show up because I just want that. And then I'm going to go ahead and resize this, okay, and I'm going to put it right here. And just like that, I've already added an image, right, for interphase, and you can add the image for prophase and all that stuff. Okay, I'll see you guys in class. Any questions? Just go ahead and ask me in class, or you can ask in the discussion forum. All right, I'll talk to you soon.